After-school activities are the rage of the day. With about $500 million invested in after-school programs, and more than 10 million children attending them, the popularity of these activities cannot be overlooked. Everyone understands the need to develop new skills and gain more knowledge. The most important factor in the success of any program is the relationship between the children participating and the adult members who work with them. Often, children may confide in an adult member who is not a teacher. This kind of emotional interaction is a must when children are struggling to make sense of the whirlpool of emotions they experience from day to day. Direct contact with professionals can be an inspiring experience. Children are very much impressed by the knowledge and experience of these adults. Young people gain a lot of knowledge and experience when they deal with experienced adults and older youth who serve as teachers or mentors in after-school programs. These mentors are different from the teachers at school, and children are more likely to draw inspiration from them. After-school activities that are managed professionally by those who are successful in their own fields of expertise will produce children who are more enthusiastic and successful. Meaningful interaction with adults is a learning experience in itself. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.